I wonder what should I do today? What? What was that noise? Was the house on fire? Or did someone call the cops? Where is it coming from?
It was me.
Dylan, was that you made the noise?
Well, yes! I made the siren noise for fun.
But I don't understand how or why you made the siren noise, and I hate it.
Oh, alright then. I will keep making the noise when they are coming.
Dylan, stop making the ambulance noise. It's getting so annoying. What did I say? Stop it. Dylan, if you keep making the ambulance siren one more time, I will slap you and ground you. Oh, that's it.
Ouch! Why did you slap me?
That's because you made the annoying ambulance siren noise in front of me, and for making the ambulance siren noise in front of me, you are grounded until St. Patrick's Day. Go to your room right now and be ashamed of yourself.
Wow.